Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix PS5 error code CE-100005-6. So the first thing what I suggest you to do here is to completely turn off your PS5. Press turn off, and after your PS5 is completely turned off, there is no lights to it. What I suggest you to do here is to unplug your power cord of your PS5, this one, and just hold from 5 to 10 seconds, unplug it again, restart your PS5 and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, if there is possibility for you, try to plug another disk and look if it's working or not. And if it's not working, then try to just clean your disk with a smooth cloth. Maybe your disk is dirty or something. And then look if the problem persists, or maybe your just disk has too many scratches and it's not reading the game properly. So, but just by disabling PS5 and just restarting and disabling the power cord, it should fix your problem if your disk is okay. Right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.